Welcome to the wild heart of Rajasthan. This is Ranthambore, and you're watching it with Wild Earth Ventures. Here, history, wilderness, and royal legends merge into one breathtaking landscape, a place where every roar echoes through time. Once the hunting ground of the Maharajas of Jaipur, today Ranthambore stands as a symbol of India's wildlife conservation success. Spread across more than 1,300 square kilometers, it's not just a forest, it's a living museum of nature. At its center stands the majestic Ranthambore Fort, a thousand-year-old sentinel that rises above the forest, reminding us that empires rose and fell, but nature continues to reign supreme. As the morning mist drifts away and golden sunlight fills the valleys, the forest slowly awakens. Sambar deer graze quietly, langurs leap across ancient banyan trees, and the calls of peacocks echo through the air. Somewhere deep in the Doak forest, the queen stirs. The royal Bengal tiger, the true ruler of Ranthambore, moves silently through her kingdom. And among all the tigers who ruled these lands, one name still echoes in every rock and tree: Machli, the legendary tigress. Known as the Queen of Ranthambore, Machli's courage, grace, and motherly strength became the very spirit of this jungle. Her legacy continues through generations of tigers that still roam these forests, a living reminder of how one tiger's story can inspire the world to protect the wild. A safari in Ranthambore is more than an adventure, it's an experience of awe and discovery. As your gypsy rolls through rugged tracks and lakes like Padam Talab and Rajbagh, the jungle tells its stories. A tigress guiding her cubs, crocodiles basking in the golden light, and a spotted deer freezing at the sound of a distant roar. But Ranthambore is not only about beauty, it's also a story of balance. A fragile harmony between nature and people, between survival and coexistence. The forest faces challenges, human pressures, shrinking habitats, and changing climates. Yet every conservation effort, every responsible traveler, every voice that speaks for the wild, keeps this balance alive. At Wild Earth Ventures, we believe that true travel means more than seeing, it means feeling. Feeling the heartbeat of the jungle, respecting its rhythm, and helping protect the wild hearts that make it alive. So when you visit Ranthambore, come not just to spot a tiger, but to understand her world, her struggle, her grace. Because we protect only what we love, and we love only what we truly understand. This is Ranthambore, where legends live, where Machli's spirit still walks the lakeside paths, and where every journey becomes a memory forever. Wild Earth Ventures, bringing you closer to the wild. Contact us at the given number or visit our website to join our next wildlife adventure in Pench, Tadoba, Kanha, Ranthambore, Pilibhit or any other national park in India. We look forward to exploring with you. Thank you.